If you are looking for animation software for YouTube or marketing videos, you have probably come across ToonBee AI and Doodly. Both help you create animated content, but they serve different purposes. In this video, we'll compare their features, ease of use, pricing, and help you decide which one is right for you. Animation style. The biggest difference is the animation style. ToonBee is an AI-powered animation platform that can generate animated videos from text prompts. It offers multiple animation styles, AI avatars, voiceovers, and automatic scene creation, making it ideal for modern content creation. Doodly focuses on whiteboard animation. It lets you create hand-drawn videos using drag-and-drop elements, which are great for explainer videos, educational content, and simple business presentations. If you want modern AI generated animations, ToonBee AI has the advantage. If you specifically need whiteboard videos, Doodly is the better choice. Ease of use. Both platforms are beginner friendly. ToonBee AI speeds up the video creation process with AI, so you can generate videos in minutes with minimal manual editing. Doodly requires more hands on work. You will manually place characters, props, and text on the timeline, giving you more control but taking more time to finish a project. Features. ToonBee AI includes AI script generation, text-to-video creation, AI voiceovers, customizable characters, and multiple animation styles. Doodly offers a large library of whiteboard assets, custom drawn bots, voiceover support, and timeline editing. However, it lacks the advanced AI automation found in ToonBee AI. If automation and speed are your priorities, ToonBee AI is the stronger option. Pricing and best use cases. Both platforms use subscription based pricing, but ToonBee AI focuses on delivering AI powered features, while Doodly is built around traditional whiteboard animation. Choose ToonBee if you create YouTube videos, social media content, marketing ads, or promotional videos and want to save time with AI. Choose Doodly if your main goal is creating educational tutorials, training videos, or classic whiteboard explainers. Final verdict. Overall, ToonBee AI is the better choice for creators looking for fast AI-powered video production with modern animation styles. However, if whiteboard animation is exactly what your audience expects, Doodly remains one of the best tools available. If this comparison helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friends, and let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for, ToonBee AI or Doodly, and why. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison.